Why are work permits linked to specific immigration statuses? Imagine trying to get a job without knowing if your legal papers support it. That's why work permits are tied to specific immigration statuses. It's all about making sure everything lines up legally. When you come to the United States, your immigration status shows your reason for being here. Whether you are a refugee, an asylum seeker, a student, or a temporary worker, your status tells the government what rights you have. Some statuses, like being a lawful permanent resident, automatically give you permission to work. Others, like certain visa holders, need a special document called an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, to prove they can work legally. Getting a work permit isn't automatic for everyone. Many people have to apply for an EAD separately. This document is proof that the government has approved their right to work. Employers are required to check this before hiring anyone. This process helps prevent illegal employment and protects workers from being exploited. The work permit is linked to your specific situation. For example, if you are an asylum seeker, you can request an EAD while your case is being processed. If you are a student on an F1 visa, you can only work if you get an EAD for certain types of employment, like internships. People with H-1B visas, which are for specialty workers, usually don't need an EAD because their work authorization is tied directly to their visa and employer. Work permits are also limited by time and type. They are issued for a certain period, often 1 year, and may only allow work for specific employers or in certain jobs. This helps keep the work aligned with your legal status and the purpose of your visa. For immigrant families, understanding this link is very important. It helps you plan your employment and avoid legal problems. If you know whether you need to apply for an EAD or if your visa already gives you work rights, you can make better decisions. To get a work permit, most people fill out Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization. The rules for who can apply depend on your current immigration status or pending applications. For example, spouses of certain visa holders or green card applicants can apply for an EAD while waiting. It's important to apply early because processing times can take several months. Working without proper authorization can lead to serious consequences, like losing your immigration status. In the end, work permits are connected to specific immigration statuses because the U.S. government wants to make sure employment is legal and fair. This system protects both workers and employers and keeps the immigration process orderly. For families, understanding how your status affects your ability to work helps you stay on the right side of the law and plan your future confidently.